everyone, I'm Cathy Yang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I would like to talk about how to play open string. Try your best to make your hand, wrist, arm, back, and your shoulder always be relaxed. Keep the bow parallel to the floor when playing. This, or this are not correct. First, we play the outer string, or we can call A string. Press the bow downward with the right thumb very gently. With the wrist leading, pull the bow towards the right while maintaining a downward to pressure on the bow. Pull the bow from the frog to the tip slowly. Once reaching tip, change the direction of the bow by having your arm lead. Your elbow, wrist, follow your arm and push back the bow from tip to the frog slowly. Then we play the inner string we also can call D string. Use your middle finger and forefinger to press in the direction of the bow hair. Other learning essentials are exactly the same as the outer strings. These lesson tips: the hand, wrist, arm, back, and your shoulder always be relaxed. Keep the bow parallel to the floor when playing. Maintain the same angle between the bow hair and the neck when bowing, like this. Alright, are you ready to learn how to play scale? Come, subscribe me. See you soon.